In this video, I will show you how to see your password in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to see your password in Roblox, then I'm going to show you how to do this on Google Chrome, but it should be a similar process if you do use a different web browser, such as Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Generally built into a web browser, especially for Google Chrome, you have something like a password manager, which basically when you enter a password for a website, it's going to be saved into a password manager. Now, you can actually use this to see your password for Roblox. To do this on Google Chrome, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, what you need to do is come down to the passwords and autofill section, and on the sub menu you're going to see an option for Google Password Manager. So go ahead, give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and you can see all the different websites with your passwords. Now what you can do from here is use the search box at the top, type Roblox into here, and you're going to see Roblox come up, and what you can then do is click onto the arrow, and at this point you need to go ahead and enter your computer password, and once you've done that, click onto OK. And what that's going to do is take you into the screen here, so you'll be able to see all your accounts logged into Roblox on this particular web browser. And for example, if I wanted to see my password for this account here, you can see the password box. All you need to do is click the I button here which says show password, and what that's going to do is reveal your password. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but that's how to see your password in Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.